Tropical Cyclone Bulletin Number 7. Tropical Storm, Enteng. Tropical Storm, Enteng, issued at 5 a.m., the 2nd of September 2024. Valid for broadcast until the next advisory to be issued at 8 a.m. today. Enteng slightly intensifies as it decelerates over the coastal waters of Vinzons, Camarines Norte. Hazards affecting land areas. Heavy rainfall outlook. Forecast accumulated rainfall, today. Greater than 200 millimeters. Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, Albay, Polillo Island, and the southern portion of mainland Quezon. 100 to 200 m. Aurora, the rest of Quezon, Catanduanes, Masbate, and Sorsogon. 50 to 100 m. Isabela, Quirino, Bulacan, Metro Manila, the rest of Calabarzon, Marinduque, and Romblon. Forecast accumulated rainfall, tomorrow the 3rd of September. 100 to 200 m. Isabela, Cagayan, Abra, Apayao, and Ilocos Norte. 50 to 100 m. Aurora and the rest of Ilocos region, the rest Cordillera Administrative Region, and mainland Cagayan Valley. Forecast accumulated rainfall, Wednesday the 4th of September. 100 to 200 m. Babuyan Islands, Apayao, Abra, Ilocos Norte, and Ilocos Sur. 50 to 100 m. Batanes, mainland Cagayan, and the rest of Cordillera Administrative Region and Ilocos region. Forecast rainfall are generally higher in elevated or mountainous areas. Under these conditions, flooding and rain-induced landslides are expected, especially in areas that are highly or very highly susceptible to these hazards as identified in official hazard maps and in localities that experienced considerable amounts of rainfall for the past several days. Furthermore, the enhanced southwest monsoon will bring moderate to intense rainfall in other areas of Luzon and Visayas, especially along the western portions. For more information, refer to Weather Advisory Number 4 issued at 11 p.m. yesterday. Severe winds. The wind signals warn the public of the general wind threat over an area due to the tropical cyclone. Local winds may be slightly stronger, enhanced in coastal and upland mountainous areas exposed to winds. Winds are less strong in areas sheltered from the prevailing wind direction. Minor to moderate impacts from strong winds are possible within any of the localities where wind signal number 2 is hoisted. Minimal to minor impacts from strong winds are possible within any of the areas under wind signal No. 1. The highest possible wind signal that may be hoisted during the passage of Enteng is wind signal No. 3. The enhanced southwest monsoon will also bring strong to gale force gusts over the following areas, especially in coastal and upland areas exposed to winds. Today, Ilocos region, Zambales, Bataan, Pampanga, Aurora, Bulacan, Metro Manila, Calabarzon, Mimaropa, Bicol region, and Visayas. Tomorrow the 3rd of September, Zambales, Bataan, Aurora, Bulacan, Metro Manila, Calabarzon, Mimaropa, Bicol region, and Visayas. Wednesday the 4th of September, Zambales, Bataan, Aurora, Bulacan, Metro Manila, Calabarzon, Mimaropa, Bicol region, and western Visayas. Hazards affecting coastal waters. In the next 24 hours, Enteng and the enhanced southwest monsoon will bring the following conditions over the coastal waters of the country. Gale warning is in effect over the eastern seaboard of Luzon and the southern seaboard of southern Luzon. Sea travel is risky for small seacrafts, including all types of motorbankas. For more information, refer to Gale Warning Number 2 issued at 5 a.m. today. Moderate to rough seas over the northern seaboard of northern Luzon and the western seaboard of central Luzon, 1.5 to 3.5 meters, the western seaboard of southern Luzon and the seaboards of western Visayas, 1.5 to 3.0 meters. Mariners of small seacrafts, including all types of motorbankas, are advised not to venture out to sea under these conditions, especially if inexperienced or operating ill-equipped vessels. Slight to moderate seas are expected over the rest of the country, 1.0 to 2.5 meters. Mariners of motorbankas and similarly sized vessels are advised to take precautionary measures while venturing out to sea and, if possible, avoid navigation under these conditions. Track and intensity outlook. Enteng is forecast to move generally northwestward in the next 24 hours. Enteng may possibly make landfall over Isabela or Cagayan this afternoon or tonight. Shall the forecast track shift further to the west, landfall over the northern portion of Aurora is not ruled out. From tomorrow early morning, the 3rd of September, Enteng will generally turn west-northwestward. Possible landfall over Babuyan Islands is also not ruled out. A period of deceleration from tomorrow to Wednesday, the 4th of September, is expected while Enteng is slowly intensifying over Luzon Strait. Enteng will continue to move west-northwestward while accelerating and is expected to exit the Philippine area of responsibility by Wednesday evening to Thursday early morning, the 5th of September. There may be a further westward shift in the track forecast due to the developing ridge of high pressure north of Enteng, which may increase rainfall amounts over mainland Luzon. Enteng is forecast to maintain tropical storm category until Tuesday and will intensify into a severe tropical storm by Wednesday. It may also reach a peak category of typhoon by Thursday or Friday. Further intensification over the Philippine Sea is still likely due to favorable conditions.